Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some foods and recipes that help promote glowy skin. So get nice and cozy, maybe grab yourself a cup of nice hot green tea, and we're going to share some of these tips over the next few minutes. I'll try to create a playlist so that you can watch all of these videos in this category if you like them. But be sure to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video if you like it. I wanted to start by sharing the inspiration for this video, and that is this book called The Perricone Program. I found it years ago when I used to work in the beauty industry, and I would often go to the library and check out different books on health and beauty from the inside out. This was one of my favorites, filled with a lot of really great information, tips, and takeaways that I remember to this day. And I actually tried a lot of these before I got married, before my wedding, when I wanted to have glowy skin. Early into the book, he talks about superfoods, and some of these superfoods can be expensive, but you can also find like this I found at Aldi. It comes with granola, so you can eat it as a berry bowl, but you can also use it in a smoothie, which I like to do as well, really high in antioxidants. And then he continues on to talk about all of these different superfoods that you can incorporate into your diet. Now, of course, always speak to your doctor before starting any new regime, because everybody's needs are going to be very, very different. And I feel like eating intuitively is the most important thing that you can do. I mean, my body will usually let me know if it likes or dislikes something that I am consuming. But in general, antioxidant-rich berries, nuts and seeds are always great to incorporate. Sprouts you can find at usually farmers markets, but we're actually growing right now and they're delicious and so good for you. Yogurt and kefir, anything that's rich in probiotics, right? He talks about that as well. You can find vegan probiotics as well, but I have been drinking kefir ever since I was a kid, but I'm trying to remember to be more consistent with that because those probiotics are so good for you. I have a recipe coming up later in this video, so keep your eyes out for that. He talks about culinary herbs and medicinal herbs as well and the benefits. I love nerding out on all of that. And I love growing them as well. I'm growing lemon balm and lots of the culinary herbs that he mentions in the book. And my garden here in Tennessee, I will be sharing everything that we're going to be growing and how I dry and store all of that, so you can keep your eyes peeled for that as well. But this is lemon balm. It's the beginning. It's my little lemon balm starters. And then he has a chapter on topicals. So skincare. I'll do an updated video on topicals and tools down the line. But then he has his 28-day Perricone Program. In a nutshell, it's an anti-inflammatory diet, which he claims will make you look 10 years younger in 28 days, with lots of different recipes and takeaways. A lot of what he says, too, is to consume, more green tea, more antioxidants. Switching out coffee for green tea is just a great switch up. You can find it in the bags, loose tea, or you can even have matcha. So I love a cup of hot green tea. You can get this matcha, this is from Walmart, and it works hot or cold. So I love to take one of these packets and put it in my tumbler with ice water. This brand in particular dissolves really well, so I love to have it in my tumbler, just an iced green tea. Perfect for the summer months. Tons of antioxidants, so good for you. And in general, I feel like a lot of these recipes and ideas, just for me personally, make me feel so much better. I've used a lot of these ideas and recipes over the years and just kind of switched it up to accommodate how I like to do it, but he has tons of breakfast ideas and how to sort of mix and match different things. So one of them that he has is the boiled eggs and the turkey bacon, and then he has a few sides to add to it as well. I really love oatmeal with berries. I love his snack ideas. He's got a lot of great snack ideas, and one of them is the kefir smoothie. I don't add flax seeds because I don't have them right now, but if I had them, I would totally add them. I add ice, some kefir, or you can use a probiotic. Then I'm going to use that acai, or am I saying it right? Acai bowl. I always feel like I say that wrong. And then berries. So a very antioxidant-rich smoothie. I made this morning for me and my husband, and we shared it. Super yummy and delicious and great for your gut health. I like to call this the gut health beauty elixir because it's filled with antioxidants and probiotics. And I think he suggests using an unsweetened kefir. I did not do that. I used the strawberry kefir, but they do sell unsweetened kefir as well. So like I said, I kind of switch it up to what I have, what's more affordable. Right now, times are crazy. Groceries are crazy expensive. So do what you can, incorporate what you can, and most importantly, eat intuitively and do what's right for you and your own body. But yeah, some of his lunch ideas and also snack ideas are really yummy. Like I love hummus and celery, and I also really love bell peppers, My kids and I love it. My husband hates it, but I love bell peppers. And anything with hummus is really good. Pumpkin seeds, boiled eggs, cantaloupe is really great for the skin. Apples, kiwi has a lot of vitamin C in it. My kids love kiwi. So any of these are going to be great moving into the summer months, just keeping these out and available to consume throughout the day. If you're interested, this is not sponsored in any way, just a personal share of mine. This is one of those books that I've remembered. It has just a lot of really great ideas and recipes, like this hearty chicken soup and their lemon chicken. Just a lot of great recipes that I really like over the years that I've tried. And you can get it at the library, you can rent it out at the library, or it's available on Amazon for like 10 bucks. So I'm gonna make one of the recipes in the book today, just a simple grilled chicken salad. I love to do grilled chicken, grilled fish during the summer, and just gets you outside and cooking outside as well. And also we have our tower garden that has a lot. We're going to be having a lot of salads this summer just because we're going to have so much lettuce growing in the garden and a lot of other goodness as well. The summer always makes me really excited because there's lots of beautiful fresh food to eat. I love being in the garden, eating direct from the garden, creating recipes around what's growing in the garden. It's just so beautiful. When I eat like this, I feel so good. So I wanted to share this book, this resource, and also some of the ideas that I love from this book. So if there's any takeaway in this video that you enjoy or that you like, if you try one of the recipes, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye.